Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a watermark in Lightroom Mobile. All right, say for example, we wanted to export this photo, right? You've done editing and let's say for example, you're good to go. Now in here, we're gonna tap on export as. Now under this page, we'll have the option to include watermark. All right. It is turned off for you by default. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on customize. And here you'll have the option to just add in some text. All right. As you can see here, you can change the size right here and the opacity, horizontal offset, and the vertical offset. All right. Now, if you do want a custom like graphic or graphic signature, like here, I'm going to tap on it. You just want to upload your particular signature. For example, I'm going to show you. I'm going to open up a browser right here, and then I'm going to type in signature maker right here, signature maker. Now I'm going to select on maybe sign well right here. Then let's draw a signature. All right, I'm just going to make it like this one, and then I'm going to hit on save. Make sure that it is set to transparent background, then hit on download. All right, download done. I'm going to hit on open to check it out. Right here we have our signature. Now we're going to want to go back to Lightroom. Now upload the created signature, this one. All right, as you can see here, make it bigger right there, as you can see, and then move it like just here. Now once done, just tap on back. Now go ahead and tap on the check icon so you can export the photo with the watermark. All right, we're going to view it. All right, say for example, we wanted to go to our gallery right here. As you can see, Adobe Lightroom, and there you have your signature. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.